mga guys, mag-rumble na sila. Kung si Suprik, no? Naka din si Tong Sahor, okay. Mag-away na si Suprik o si Tong Sahor. Okay. Pait! Okay, away! Agay! Buto! Boom! Sneak attack na guys! Boom! Paday! Boom! Paday, rumble! Boom! Lagpot na! Boom! Patiran William J. Patay! Patiran ni Tong Sahor! Agoy! Patiran! Agoy! Mula si Kuya mo patay! Patiran! Patay! Namatay! Patay! Boom! Lalala! Boom! Lo! Naigong tuhod! Bang! Naigong utin! Bang! Patay! Kuya mo! Patay! Patay! Boom! Patay! Lagi ko! Patay! Okay, round 2!
Remember guys, for video run dili ni tinuod.
Tinood na ni mga guys. Round 2, fight!
It's round 3.
Atik-atik na lagi. Boom! Lapot na. Lapot. Boom!
Although, trust me, we're just steal a normal check. So once you hit, you always teleport back to your garden, and you can just teleport to here. It's back like, no, you're buying food, and then you steal it, and then they have no idea. It was just, I don't know what
Isang guko. Boom!
Just go ahead. This, go back to our garden, and matter of fact, we'll just hide here, and you only this is gonna crazy. I'm gonna find out for a reason. There's actually
Patay, nalagpot si Isang guko. Sige, patay na Tong Sahor. Patay, nalagpot si Tong Sahor. Patay si Isang guko. Patay na yun. Boom! Si Tong Sahor. Isang guko. Boom! Si Tong Sahor. Igo, patay na ni Tong Sahor. Si Isang guko. Patay. Dagan si Tong Sahor. Patay na ni Tong Sahor. Patay. Maura to. Sige na.